In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your mouse pointer larger or smaller on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, you want to select where it says accessibility. And then on the right side, select where it says mouse pointer and touch. And then underneath mouse pointer and style, you may have to just go down to the next menu where it says size. You can drag it to left or right to make it larger or smaller, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.